Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're taking a quick look at the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair in this cool indigo blue. If you're after a comfy and convenient seating solution for your outdoor adventures, this portable folding rocking chair is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. What makes this chair unique is its smooth rocking motion, thanks to GCI Outdoor Spring Action rocking technology. It works surprisingly well on various surfaces, adding a real element of relaxation whether you're at a campsite, a sporting event, or just in your backyard. Built with a sturdy steel frame, it feels solid and can support up to 250 pounds, making it suitable even for a heavy person or big guys. The comfortable backrest provides good lumbar support for those longer sits. Plus, the solid, durable armrests make getting in and out easy, and the integrated drink holder is a simple but much appreciated feature. Portability is a big plus. The Easy Fold technology makes setup and takedown quick and hassle-free. It folds down relatively compactly for transport. While it's not the absolute lightest camping chair out there at around 12 to 13 pounds, it's manageable for most. The main advantages of this top folding chair are its exceptional comfort, the unique and enjoyable rocking experience, and its sturdy construction. Many users find it incredibly comfortable for extended use at various events, from festivals to sporting events. The rocking motion really sets it apart and adds to the relaxation factor. It's often considered a best pick for those wanting more than just a standard folding chair. However, there are a few potential downsides. Some users have raised concerns about material safety warnings. A few have also reported the chair occasionally sliding when getting up, and there have been isolated instances of manufacturing defects. While the seat is wide, some might find it sits lower than a traditional rocker. Its weight, while manageable, might be a consideration for longer carries on hiking trips. In summary, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair is a fantastic choice if comfort and a gentle rock are high on your list for a portable outdoor chair. It's well-built and offers a unique seating experience that many find incredibly relaxing. While there are a few minor drawbacks to be aware of, the overall positive feedback suggests this is a popular and worthwhile option. If you're looking for one of the best folding chairs that offers something extra in terms of comfort and relaxation, this could be it. Have you tried a rocking camping chair before? Let me know your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick gear reviews. Thanks for watching.